Okay, can you see this mess? This is a very good sized bag, and it's just as packed as I can get it. This one over here, not so much. It's about, I think I could probably get 8 more bags in it. Anyway, I want to show you how to take this big, messy mess and turn it into a small, neat mess. Okay. Okay, I have 30 bags here. I have 10 Aldi. I have 17 from Dollar Tree and Vons, and I have 1 from Smart and Final and 2 from Food for Less. That's what was in those 2 bags, 30 bags. Okay, this is a regular size bag. It's the same as the thinner bags we used to get, and it's what you get at most grocery stores. I'll show you how to do this. As you can see, the Aldi bags and the Food for Less bags are a lot wider. There was 2 of these Aldi bags. I had stuff with all the bags. Now the difference between the Aldi bags and the Smart and Final and Food for Less bags is the handles. See, you got the handles in the middle. 2 different types of handles. I want to show you how to fold all these bags and make them into a reasonable size. Then I'm going to take all 30 bags and I'm going to show you what a small little bit of bags you end up with. Okay, now first you fold it over in half. Okay, fold it over again. And you have your fold overs in front of your handles. Okay? Okay. Now you're going to take and fold it up like this. Okay. You can fold this anywhere along here. The more, if you get to the top and you didn't quite make it, don't have enough left on top, you just change what you did down here. So I'm going to start here. Go to the outside first. And I'm going to get a nice sharp corner on both ends. Okay? And you fold it up this, like this. Fold it up like this. And I don't think we're going to get another full fold out of it. So I'm going to pull this down a little bit. Give it another shot. You need enough from the top that you can fold down into your folds. Yeah, that's good. That's a pretty good end. Now see the way this slants this way? You're going to fold that so it slants that way. Okay? Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it down in here. There you go. Nice and small. Okay, now, these are probably the most difficult because of their stupid handle, but it still works. Okay, now for these, find the middle, you fold it into the middle. Fold this side into the middle. And there you have it. Funky little handle sticking out the top. Okay, now turn it and turn it, and turn it, and stick it right in the back here. If it's long enough, you can stick it in the front. It's not going to look the same as the others because the handles don't come all the way up on the shaft. Now, the other way to do this is make it narrower. So I'm going to take this, fold it like that, fold it here and there, and make a narrow one with the things on the end over here. Okay? And fold it up. You don't have to fold it up, you can fold it all the way from the bottom. But the more folds, the harder it is to keep your corners. And I like to keep the corners. It's not necessary, but it really helps when it comes to making a nice, tight, small package. Oh, wow, look how that turned out. Very nice. We're going to take these and we're going to fold them down. And stuff them in there. All the way. There we go. Yeah, see? Nice small package. In fact, it came out smaller than the regular one. Now, the Smart and Final bags and the ones I got at Food 4 Less. They're a little more picky. I do it like that. See, I'm doing it about a third and a third. And then I turn it over. And fold it up and start doing. The only difference in any of these is how you situate the handles. If you wanted to, you could fold it up from the handles up and then just stick in the other end. It's totally up to you. So here we are. Fold this in here like that. Now this is a little short. It might not stay in there. Anytime you have a short handle and you don't want to go back and refold it, you have this back tuck here. You can tuck it down the back tuck like that. See? So here's a regular grocery store bag, only it's the thick one. Here's the Aldi bag, and here's your Smart and Final and Food 4 Less bag. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and fold the rest of these, and I'm going to show you how small that big 2 bags of bags turns into. Okay, here's all 30 bags. Still looks like a big unruly mess, but there's another secret. I use Ziploc bags. This is a quart size. Move over, guys. There we go. Now that's 6 of them right there. And I can leave it at that. Because I don't use more than 6 bags anymore when I go shopping. So that'd be perfect to stick in the boot of the car. Put in my purse. I have a small purse, but it'll fit in there. That'll give me 6 bags to take in. I also have a sandwich size bag, a regular sandwich Ziploc. Okay. Most of the Aldi's together. It's a little bit tighter fit, but you can fit 6 in a little sandwich bag. Like that. Even smaller. I did have an Aldi in there. Okay. So I'll do the rest of these. I'll show you what I end up with. Okay. This is a quart size Ziploc. I have 12 bags in it. This is a quart bag with just 6 in it. And these are 2 sandwich bags with just 6 in it. So there's 30 bags. Either of these is small enough to go in a purse. And usually I'll take another smaller bag and I'll just put a bag of bags in there in the trunk. And when I go in the store, I grab whatever size I think I'll need. If Mom and I both go in, I know we're going to need this. That's a 12 pack. Otherwise, if I'm just going in myself, I'll get one of these and I can just pull out what I need and the rest stays in my purse. Okay, works out good. This whole thing, let's see if I can find a piece of paper here. Notebook paper. There you go. It's about the size of a notebook paper. How about that? See? Alrighty. That's how you do it. Enjoy. Bye-bye.